Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Shannon. I am going to be your algebra teacher for this semester. So I'm making this video for both students and parents alike so you can understand how the course works. Once you log into It's Learning and click into your Algebra 1 class, whether that be Algebra 1-1 or Algebra 1-2, you'll get to a home page that looks like this. So everything you want to access is through this front screen. So if you need to go directly to your coursework, which includes your notes, videos, practice problems, and assignments, click on this little icon of a pencil. And then you'll see there's a checklist as well as the first unit. So as you click into the first unit, you'll see it divided into lessons. Click into lesson 1, and you'll see there is notes, which are a PDF version of notes. If you have access to a printer and want to print those off, I would highly suggest that. If you don't have access to a printer, you could also just write down some of the key words and phrases, maybe a few examples from each page of notes. If you don't like the idea of notes, there's also provided for you some different videos. So you can watch the videos and see if those problems help you understand the math a little bit better. I always include several videos as well as several practice problems. So all of these things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, are designed to help you learn the material. And then your quick check is the way to show that you have learned it. You are not required to do all of these learning activities. However, you need to do enough of them so that you feel confident for yourself to take the 1.1 quick check. There are no retakes on these quick checks, so it's really important that you make sure you understand. If you click into a quick check and start the test and realize that you are stuck on some problems, you are allowed to pause it, exit out, go work on some more problems, look at the notes, take a little look at the video, and come back to the test. Right. At the end of each unit, there is a unit test. There are retakes on this in case you mess up. Again, right here at the end of each unit, there is a test. For all the lessons, all of the work, you may use any resources that you need. So you may use your notes, your videos, whatever works. So always access all your work right through this pencil. Other than that, here's a good idea on how to be successful in this class. I recommend getting a notebook if you cannot print out your notes. And for each lesson, just write down 5 examples. Those can be from wherever, the note pages, the videos, or the example problems. Then use those examples to help you complete the assignment. If you're working on the assignment and don't understand, like I said, go back, watch more videos, do more practice problems, and if you're still stuck on something, reach out to me for help. Here's all my contact information here. I am a full-time teacher, so I am at school from 7:30 all the way till 4 o'clock most days. So feel free to just reach out through email or send a message through this service on It's Learning up here. That's a great way to get a hold of me as well. Then you have your grade book. If you click on this, it'll take you to your grades, and you'll be able to see your average right here, and then how you did on each of your assignments. There's also the grading scale. So if you need to know what grade you need to get in order to get what grade, there that is. On the right-hand side, graphing explains how you need to graph, and this is specific to each course, so I'll let you take a look. Algebra 1-1 is a little bit different than Algebra 1-2. Next, you have your pacing guide. This is a calendar of what you should be doing during which weeks. If ever you get behind, do your best to catch up. If you ever get too far ahead, that's perfectly fine. You can finish this class whenever you are done with all of your assignments, have a passing grade, and then you just need to schedule to take your final exam. One more thing here I've provided is a checklist. This helps keep you organized, so if you need to, you can just go ahead and check mark things off each time you complete them. You can also print this if you want to, and then keep it in your notebook or your folder. Here's the checklist, and you can just check that off. And then it crosses through. And you can mark the date at which you finished it if you'd like. Use this however you need to, however it's going to best benefit you. right. So that's about it for the course. As you're clicking into your pencil each time, notice that there are 4 units. This is true for Algebra 1-1 and 1-2. And then you've got information on your final exam folder. Everything from the home page can also be accessed there as well. If you have any questions or need any more help, I'd love to help. Good luck getting started.